Here we are.
Yeah.
The rain is gone.
H-Chop, Young Riot, Sparks, huh?
The rain is gone.
Y'all ready?
The rain is gone.
That's it.
The
Yeah.
rain is gone.
Let's get it going, man. Shit. Yo, Rex, Jody, I see y'all, man. About to take it there, man. Yo, I sit and wonder if I'ma be alive for it. But I'm the type that won't stop, I'ma die for it. And you can laugh now and go and cry later, cause through it all, I'ma still grind for this paper, huh? A lot of niggas like to stop and stare, but I don't care, you can get your issue over here. Success is on my mind, that's what I live for. And you can never stop my dream, that's what I dream for, huh? I used to dream for, man, my big break, so I could leave the block alone and make some real cake. Some niggas will hate and run and snitch quick, but I don't give a motherfuck, cause I ain't touch shit. I'm all about getting money like Beans Click. But a nigga not from Philly, this is Queen shit. Pop a few bottles, roll a big spliff, and don't forget, cause I'ma tell you that, huh? Yeah, shit.
From the booth and still got my hammer cocked, making legit money and still hanging on the block. Started off selling weed, finished off selling rocks. Nowadays the gangsters the ones out there telling snitches. Pigs could deal with a rat, now they running the trap shit. So I stepped off the block for a while, now I'm on my rap shit. Nigga like me go through it on a daily basis. Same shit every day, but end up seeing different faces. We was on the same path, but end up in different places. Selling the same shit, but end up having different cases. God testing, so ain't no fucking stressing, ain't no second guessing. I keep a second reppin', and a pocket full of rubbers for extra protection. Yo bitch, you want me, I can tell by her face impression. Love by few, hated by many, that's the fucking lesson. Seeing age 21, man, that's a fucking blessing. Red beams, hollow tips, aiming at your target. My whole team retarded, you shouldn't have got them started. And coming at you and your team like allergies, and make the feds wanna charge us like batteries. Pray every night to keep my life right, so the Lord gon' keep me out that situation. Alright.
On the mic, we rugged all day. Stay posting the cup, we thuggin' all page. I'm insane in the guap, we tryna get that. No time for small change, kid, we only deal with fed straps. No preparation for setbacks, kamikaze lay it set flat. I'm so fly that I'm levitating, we escalating, no jetpacks. You step into the gods, get your head cracked and blessed, Jack. Yeah, and that's how we do it, get stacks, we bout the money. Bout the fatty cheese and broccoli, all corny motherfuckers sitting weak playing Monopoly. You hit jail or Basco, or lay down where the grass grow. You never know they creeping in the shadows with they hats low. Live fast flow, no pause to use a border in this land, yo. I'm burning both ends, and we almost out of candle. I'm too hot to handle, dismantle your character. I'm a legend on the record, all the rest is stressing amateurs. And I stay slamming them, my mic is never jamming, son. I stay strapped with the cannon and then I'm blasting them. You either go ghost or Dunny, I'm a Casper. You just a puppet in the pawn and I'm the master.